When integration unfolds in seamless perfection, a whole new universe of possibilities is unleashed. Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi's vision of Gati Shakti National Master Plan for Multi-Modal Connectivity aims to realize this seamless integration of infrastructural planning and development and energize the dreams of 1 billion Indians.
पीएम गति शक्ति नेशनल मास्टर प्लान भारत के इसी आत्मबल को, आत्मविश्वास को आत्मनिर्भरता के संकल्प तक ले जाने वाला है। ये नेशनल मास्टर प्लान 21वीं सदी के भारत को गति शक्ति देगा। नेक्स्ट जनरेशन इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर और मल्टी मॉडल कनेक्टिविटी को इस नेशनल प्लान से गति शक्ति मिलेगी।
The National Gas Grid, which aims to usher a new era of Atmanirbhar Bharat and create a gas-based economy, is one such initiative. Distant corners of the country are being connected through an expansive network of natural gas pipelines to ensure uninterrupted supply of environment-friendly, economical and convenient natural gas. The laying of these pipelines is a massive and responsible task. Presently, India has a gas pipeline network of around 18,700 kilometers of natural gas pipeline, which is being expanded to around 36,000 kilometers with an estimated investment of over rupees 1 lakh crore. GAIL, the nation's leading natural gas transmission company, is currently constructing around 6,000 kilometers of pipelines across India under National Gas Grid with an investment of over rupees 25,000 crore. Spearheading the projects in Northeast India is Indradhanush Gas Grid Limited, a joint venture company of 5 oil and gas PSUs, ONGC, OIL, GAIL, IOCL and NRL. The ambitious Northeastern Region Gas Grid project will connect all the 8 northeastern states to the national gas grid through Barauni-Guwahati gas pipeline. On completion, this natural gas pipeline grid would connect Guwahati to major cities of northeast states. To support this endeavor is PM Gati Shakti, the National Master Plan for Multi-Modal Connectivity. The plan includes the Gati Shakti digital platform, which can be used for multiple pre-project activities, preparation of land schedule, village maps and ROU proposals, identification of obstacles present along the pipeline, such as high voltage power lines, mines, etc. with high accuracy, synchronization with other infrastructure projects for better planning and efficient use of resources, information collation on existing and planned demand centers with industrial areas and demand hubs, optimum pipeline route determination for future infrastructure expansions and last miles, synchronized development of parallel energy corridors for expedited execution of projects, development of route sharing options for development of an integrated grid, reduction of redundancy in data in PGIS. The platform is envisioned to bridge interdepartmental gaps, in turn mitigating delays, improving transparency, ensuring digital record keeping and providing easy collaboration on projects. The platform can also be integrated with existing platforms and will enable easy and expeditious approvals in restricted areas, mobilization and single window clearances for the speedy execution and development of the national gas grid. As the government guides its efforts towards integration, the Gati Shakti digital platform will add momentum to the expeditious development of the national gas grid and realizing the future of energy transmission in India.